Hi guys, this is Mia from Mia More Life, and today I'm going to be showing you how I organized under my kitchen sink. This is the before picture, and as you can see, it is really cluttered and not organized at all. So the first thing I want to do is clear everything out and really give it a good cleaning. Once the space is clean, it's time to figure out how to best optimize the space. And the way I like to do this is by sorting all of my products into different categories. So in this case, I took any kitchen products that I use most often, like rubber gloves, dishwasher pods, that kind of stuff. Second pile are all of my extra products, like extra sponges and garbage bags. And finally, I put products that I don't use all that often, like weed killer, potting soil, anything that you're not going to use on a daily basis. And once you have these different categories, it's a lot easier to figure out what kind of containers or baskets or shelves that you need in order to optimize your space. Okay, so here is the after. A lot more room. First, I put one of the hanging organizers right on the door, and I put little stickies so that this doesn't move. It's one of my pet peeves when these hanging shelves slam when you close the door. And then these are just dishwasher pods and disinfecting wipes, rubber gloves. And this is just an old sour cream container. Put some ribbon on. And then here, garbage. We reuse bags, so I like to put these little clips. See if you can see that. I just stick them on both sides. And then you can unhook and hook it back. Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera and trying to do this at the same time. There we go. Okay. Anyway, then on the side, I have a dollar store bin. I put a plastic bag around, and then these are all our reusable plastic bags. Those can slide in the back. I also put all of our potting soil way back here because these are very deep cabinets. We hardly ever use it. Next, I put one of those extra shelves that just slide in, and underneath another dollar store bin that just has extra trash bags. These are the trash bags we use. And these are just extra sponges. And then above, first row is things we use a lot, like all-purpose cleaner, extra pods, extra wipes, soap, and then in the back area is all the cleaners we don't use that often, like the carpet cleaner and weed killer, pine glow, that kind of stuff. It's all back there. And this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with it. And again, as I've been organizing, I just have so much more room. I have all this extra space here, nothing here, and tons of space in the back if we get more. So that's the after. Hope you guys liked it, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.